Nasaan siya?
Yun ang hindi namin alam, Karen, because before she passed on, she was supposed to give it to us. We didn't know that
You're serious? Okay.
this is how these things will pan.
You mean to say those 6 boxes of documents are missing?
Nawawala umano ang 6 na kahon o boxes mula sa opisina ng yumaong Yusek Catalina Cabral na naglalaman ng mahahalagang dokumento, mga request, proyekto at proposal from 2023 up to 2025. Ito ay ayon mismo sa legal counsel ni Cabral na si Attorney May de Vinagracia.
I'm not sure, well, we don't have it in our possession. The family don't know where they are.
Sa isang interview, sinabi ni de Vinagracia na ipinakita mismo ni Cabral sa kanya ang mga dokumento at napansin niyang may pagkakapareho ang ilan sa mga ito sa mga dokumentong inilabas ni Crying Leandro Leviste sa social media.
The undertaking was for her to arrange those documents and to give it to us after she's arranged them. I've seen the documents, I've gone over some of them, I've perused through those documents, and I've seen a document that's ostensibly similar to the document that was released by Congressman Leviste, but I cannot say with absolute certainty that it's the same because I have not seen the entire document that Congressman Leviste claims to possess.
Ayon pa kay de Vinagracia, sinabi umano ni Cabral sa Office of the Ombudsman na may mga dokumentong nakuha si Leviste mula sa kanyang opisina, ngunit hindi umano niya na-authenticate ang mga naturang dokumento.
During the interview with the Office of the Ombudsman, she confirmed that Congressman Leviste obtained documents from her office, but for prudence sake, she could not authenticate the document until she is presented with the actual document that is with Congressman Leviste. That's what she explained.
Ngunit ang mas kritikal na punto, nilinaw ni de Vinagracia na hindi kailanman na-surrender sa kanya ang 6 na kahon ng dokumento ni Cabral at hindi nila alam kung nasaan ang mga ito ngayon.
The boxes surrendered to you, would you consider them a smoking gun?
Sorry, let me clarify. The boxes have not yet been surrendered to us.
Nasaan siya?
Yun ang hindi namin alam, Karen.
Sinabi pa niya na bago mamatay si Cabral, planong ibigay sa kanya ang mga naturang dokumento. Ibig sabihin, tuluyan nang nawawala ang mga dokumento.
Because before she passed on, she was supposed to give it to us. We didn't know that
You're serious? Okay.
this is how these things will pan.
You mean to say those 6 boxes of documents are missing?
I'm not sure, well, we don't have it in our possession. The family don't know where they are, so we don't know where it's stashed at the moment. We are trying to figure out where Ms. Cabral
But was it in the office or did she take it out of the office?
she took it out.
So, could it be in their home? What did the family say?
It's not in their, well, the last we spoke, it's the last they looked for it in their house, it's not there.
Kaya ang tanong, kanino napunta ang mga kahon na naglalaman ng mga Cabral documents? Ninakaw ba ang mga ito? Tandaan, malinaw na sinabi ni Attorney de Vinagracia na namukhaan niya ang ilang dokumentong inilabas ni Crying Leandro bilang kapareho ng mga dokumento ni Cabral. At ayon din sa kanya, inamin mismo ni Cabral na may mga dokumentong nakuha si Leviste mula sa kanyang opisina.
Now, this is quite alarming, I would have to say, because Congressman Leviste came out of the office, but he didn't have a lot of documents. Essentially, he was holding a few files, right, based on the CCTV footage. But 6 boxes could be a game changer in the investigation.
Yes, Karen, but again, let me clarify, the documents in those 6 boxes were not all related to the annual budget of the DPWH. Some of those contain printed presentations, PowerPoint presentations. That's why, yun nga, we requested Ms. Cabral to sift through those documents and to just give us the relevant files.
Okay.
Ito kaya ang mga dokumentong pilit na inagaw ni Crying Leandro kay Cabral na nauwi sa madugong insidente at pagkakasugat nito dahil sa paper cut? At kung totoo ngang ninakaw ang mga dokumentong iyon, may kinalaman kaya ang insidenteng iyon sa matinding emosyonal na tol o depresyon na posibleng naging isa sa mga dahilan ng pagkamatay ni Catalina Cabral?